Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can fix Snapchat memory not working issue. I'm going to be showing you different method on how you can fix it, so make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions guided. So first thing, let me show you how you can actually access your memory on Snapchat. So for that, you need to log in into your Snapchat account. After that, in the home page, in the bottom left corner, you'll be able to see an icon. Just click on it. Now as you can see, these are the memory. If you're unable to access this, or if you're unable to see the photos or the videos that you've stored on your memory, or it is grayed out, then in order to fix it, what you can do is you can just head back to your home screen, and after that click on your Bitmoji in the top right corner. Once you do this, you'll be taken to your profile page, and on this interface click on the gear icon. Once you click on the gear icon, you'll be taken to the settings page, and on this interface you scroll down to the section that is account actions. Under it, you'll be able to see an option as clear cache. Just click on it, and as you click on clear cache, there will be a statement stating that all of your cache will be cleared. Your memory backup won't be deleted, which means that the photos and videos that you've stored on your memory will not be deleted. So in order to move on, click on continue, and you need to wait for some time. Now once you've cleared your cache, now you need to head back to your home screen, and then long press on your Snapchat application, click on app info icon, and after that go to storage and cache. Once you do this, click on clear cache as well as clear storage. This sort of refresh your Snapchat application, and then you might be able to access your Snapchat photos or videos that is stored on your memory. So in this way you can fix memory not working issue on your Snapchat application. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.